In 2020, I started a podcast called Innovation Meets Leadership. Fast forward 3 years, this podcast is listened to in over 70 countries, and it's a top 30 innovation podcast. I realized that bringing the conversations about culture, collaboration, visual thinking, and innovation to the forefront of how we work and lead is not only important, but it's imperative. If the way we are working is not effective, let's change that. That change starts today. Building innovative teams on a strong foundation shows team members that collaboration, not territorialism, is possible. Building organizations that cultivate, not kill innovation becomes the linchpin for teaming. My book, Set It on Fire, The Art of Innovation, will help your teams get access to frameworks that will assist them in getting out there and seeing the world, engaging with their customers, and learning what matters most to them as they build for the future. Innovation is no longer about brilliant individuals, it's about brilliant teams. So access my book, study guide, and master classes right now and get started today. And remember, don't just get out of the box, break the box and set it on fire. Let's go transform something.